Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your sites shortcut on your Brave browser, right? So if you have a bunch of different sites showing here on your Brave browser, the first thing is to know what type of sites. Is this a frequent visited sites or it's a favorite site? So I know you can find out that is simple. Click on the customize button on the lower right hand side, then top sites, and you will see which option is selected, right? So this is the first thing. So if you don't want to use the favorite sites, you can always switch it to frequent visited sites or vice versa. Right now, based on whichever options are showing, you can select the one that you want, and then you can delete it from there if you still want to go ahead and delete those sites. So let's say it's a favorite site and I want to delete that. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and hover over any one of these sites. You will see the pencil icon shown here. Click on that and you have the option to edit or remove, right? The next thing, if you want to delete all of them, is click the three dots here towards the upper right hand side, and you will see the option that you can hide the sites, or also you can add additional sites if you want to add additional sites. So if, let's say, you don't want to delete them, you simply want to hide, you can click on hide, and that will go ahead and hide those sites for you. So this is how you can easily go ahead. Now, in case you want to get back those sites, it's not hard to do, guys. Very easy. Simple, click the three dots again on the customize section, and then you want to go ahead and ensure that you enable the option once more. So click on that to turn it on once again, and once you click on that, you can see that it comes back. You can close out, and if you so want to delete it, click on that, click on remove sites, and that's it. Easy as that, guys.